welcome to Matt's Lock Pit. So as you can see on the bench, I've got a package from Gordon W. Awesome stuff. I know there's a challenge lock in there, and I know which one it is. So what I intend to attempt to do is an out of the package picking of a challenge lock. Yeah, you never know how it's going to go, but I'll give it a go. I'm sure I'll get it. So anyone who hasn't checked out Gordon W, I really suggest you do. He's a great bloke with a great channel, and he's a generous guy. And he's sitting about 90 subscribers at the moment, guys. And I'd really like to see him push that 100 barrier. As I said, he's a great guy. He really deserves to know the feeling of breaking 100 subscribers. So anyone watching this video, I'd be very grateful if you could... Jesus Christ, I hope the lock's not as hard as this to get into. Yeah, I'd really appreciate it, guys, if you could get on over to Gordon W's channel and subscribe and have a look at his content. Got plenty of videos on there. Oh, that was a right mess. Alright, so cool. First things first, I knew this was going to be in here. This isn't the challenge lock, though. This is a shutter lock. Very cool stuff. I'm going to have good fun with that. Thank you, Gordon, my friend. Let's have a look, feel what else we got in there. Lovely. Right, so second on the list. Nice tricycle, 263. I've got one very similar to this. Look at that, evil bitten, guys. Very cool. Works a treat, as you'd expect. Cool, thank you for that, Gordon, my friend. That'll be fun with that evil bitten. Thirdly, lovely little squire. Doesn't look to be a key with this one, but we don't need a key. Nice little keyway there. What does that say? SLLP8. I'm not sure whether that's a model number or anything, but I do like a squire, and that is a lovely little padlock. Very much appreciated, Gordon. Thank you, my man. And last but not least is the challenge lock. Gordon put on one of his videos the other day that he had a few challenge locks going, and I commented asking was this one still available, because I fancied a crack at it, and it was. So let's have a look here. We have got Durgar pinned by Washington State Picker on 23rd of the 7th 2018 by the looks of that. Very cool. Let's have a look at this key. Nice evil key. Awesome. This is the lock. Durgar, hey? Cool. So let's try the key in it. Wicked. Works lovely. Bit of a hang up to the left. So I think I'm going to pick it to the right, if I'm honest with you. So yeah, let's get a pick in this and see what we can do. But as I said, guys, I'd appreciate it if anyone watching this video hasn't actually checked out Gordon W yet. Get on over there, guys. The link will be in the description of this video. Absolute top bloke. And as I said, I would really like to see him hit the 100 barrier. He thoroughly deserves it. It won't be long until he does either way, though. So let's have a little feel here. Got a bit of slop in the core there. So could have some funniness. There you go, that's tighter. And I'm going to start off with my Mr. John Eggington homemade hook. And see how it goes. So let's see what Durgar holds for us then. So straight to the back as I normally do. Oop, full set straight away off. I believe it's going to be 5. Oop, more 4. I presume it's 4, could be 5, I don't know yet, I haven't felt my way through the pin stack. nothing on 3, nothing on 2, counter off 1. I think we got, not sure whether 1 set or whether it's just a little click. Counter off 2, I believe. It's counter, but it's not really giving you anything. So and try a bit of counter rotation. Lost my full set a little bit there. I came up with a word yesterday, guys. I was trying to say manual counter rotation, and I came out with cannual. So, nice deep full set there off 2 or 1, I'm not sure which. So from now on, instead of saying manual counter rotation, you're going to hear me say cannual. So just a heads up. Bit of cannual on 4. Lost my full set. Got it back off 3. Nothing on 2. Nice full set off 1 there. Into the back. 5 feels good. 4 feels good. 3 feels good. 2 feels good. 1 feels good, I think. Try a bit of cannual. No. So we're in a nice deep full set here, guys, but nothing seems to want to play ball. Right, get a bit, give off 3 there. I'm going to try a bit of cannual on 3, see what we get. Nothing on 3. It's one of those stiff cores, guys, where you've got to manually counter rotate, and you've almost, to a certain degree, when the core goes dead like this, you've almost kind of got to guess the right one to do. Oh, I thought she was open then. Nice deep full set. Probably only got 1 more to come. Let's see what 1 wants to give us anything. No. 5, 4. Oh, hang on. Try a bit of cannual on 4. No. I wonder what it is, guys. Wonder what it is. Fun lock by Washington State Picker, I tell you that much. My first ever lock by W.S.P. Come on, what? Something's got to give me something here, guys. I reckon it's only 1 pin holding us up here. But finding which pin that is. Try and cannual on 3. Lost my full set a bit. Doesn't matter, I'm sure I'll get it back. Might be for the best anyway. Tricky lock here, guys. Lots of fun though. Counter on 3. Click off 1. I don't think I've had that click off 1 yet, so I'm hoping that could be the ticket, if I'm honest, guys. Right, 5 feels good. 4 feels good. Cannual on 3. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 1. So 5, 4. Right, I'm just going to go for a reset, guys, because I think I've overset something. I'm sure I would have had it open from the stage I was at. Right, into the back. Deep full set of 5. Same as last time, all you have to do is touch it. Click off 1. Deep full set of 3 there. Counter on 2. Click off 2. Click off 1. 5 feels good. 4 feels good. 3 feels good. try a bit of cannula on 2. Click. Anything I want? No. Lost my full set as well. So just get my tension back in there. Deep full set of 5. Nothing on 4. Nothing on 3. Click off 2, but I lost my full set. And I believe I overset 1, so come for a reset. And try from the front this time, guys. 1, 2 springy, 3 springy, 4 springy, full set of 5 again. Click off 4, click off 1, and a massive full set off 1. Try cannula on 3. Feels like a set, even though I'm in it not quite as a deep full set now. Try a bit of cannula on 1. God, that core's stiff. 5 good. Try cannula on 4. No. Almost lost my tension wrench again. Let's see what 3 does. 3 want to play. No. 2. Curious to have a look inside this lock. Wonder what's going on in here. Something's holding me up, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So a quick go the other way. Click off 1. Click off 3. Feels like a different lock picking this way, guys. I thought I was open then. Cannula on 3. No, I didn't quite get it. Kind of thought I was going to open then, if I'm honest with you guys. There we go. Open. 10 minutes in. I'll take that, guys. Yeah. Very cool. Very fun lock. Thank you, Gordon, for sending me that. I really enjoyed it. Now let's get to gutting. And thank you, Washington State Picker, for making it, obviously. After I've gutted it, I am going to put it back together, if I'm honest with you, and pick it the other way, see how it goes. Because it was fun, and I almost had the open the other way, but it didn't quite go. So I'm going to lock this back up, because we have got the key, guys. Awesome. Let's see what we're dealing with on the back. Normal circlip. I'll probably push off with a screwdriver, hopefully. Cool. I love the circlips like that. So get us a shim and a follower. No, don't need a key. So what we'll do, 3 tin key pins that way. Get a shim in there if we can. Quite tight to get the shim in, but I'm sure we'll be alright. Also, I'll try and do this as fast as I can for you guys, because obviously it took a little bit of time to open the package and whatnot. There we go. As we can see, everything needed to be picked. I can see some work done to those things, to the core there. So I'll just dump this out and then we'll have a look, see what's going on. So pin 1, got very nice multi-serration long pin. Pin 2, multi-serration spool, very nice homemade pins here. 3, little spool. 4, deep spool. And 5, multi-serrations, very nice. So let's have a look at work done to this core. Where's my pick gone? Right, so number 1 we have threading, 2 we have threading, 3 is, I honestly can't tell whether the back 3 have undercutting or not, but they seem standard to me. However, there is a bit of a ledge there, so I'm not sure, but very cool. Just got me some tweezers, just straighten up these key pins real quick. I'll come down and give you a good look at these in a second. I've got a new idea to try to show off the pins to try and speed my gutting videos up. It takes me too long to focus and get a nice video. So cool, we'll start at the front. This thing, strange old cylinder. It's not like a British rim cylinder, weird feeling. Right, so number 1 we have a serrated spool, very nice, with a little steel spring. Number 2, oh, looks like we've got work to the Bible as well. Looks like I can see threading, awesome. Number 2, we got a nice deep spool, went that way up. And another steel spring. Number 3, nice tiered spool there. Very nice work on these pins, my friend. So look what spring we got here. Same spring, steel spring again, I think. Number 4, nice deep spool. Looks to be the same steel springs as before, very cool. And last but not least, turn it around, make it a bit easier. For driver number 5, we have doesn't want to come out of there. You can see there's a lot of spring pressure on the plug here, sticking up. Come on 5, don't be camera shy, you're coming out. And there she goes. Number 5 appears to be a standard. Nice, cool. And we've got a big copper spring in there. Wasn't expecting that, cool. So all the springs are the same apart from the last. And if we look in here, we've got threading in, I'm not sure whether it'll show up on camera, might help if I hold it correctly. We've got threading in 1, nothing in 2, nothing in 3. Threading in 4 and threading in 5. I'm not sure whether that's showing up on camera. Let me see if I can put it up to the light, that might help. There we go, cool work. So know what I thought I would try to do to give you a good close-up look at the pins. And you see I've got my fire-breathing dragon made by Foxy, defending the lockpit here. Well, I thought with this Sparrow's tray, if we pick it up, this is a mobile phone holder, but I thought if we're careful, haven't actually tried this on a challenge lock yet, so it's a bit scary, but I thought we could stand them up nice. Have a good look at them that way, guys. So let me get you down to them, and I'll zoom in for you. There we go, that's some brilliant pins. Washington State Picker, my friend, very impressed with those. So as you can see, we've got this lovely multi-serrated key pin for 1. We've got like a torpedoed serration for 2. A little spool with, I don't know if you can see it there, but it's got a very fine and sharp serration in the middle. Number 4, we've got a really long and deep spool. And number 5, as you can see, we've got a hell of a lot of serrations on there. Very cool. And for the drivers, number 1, we've got a serration and a spool. Number 2, we have a spool, nice and sharp. Number 3, we have a spool but with a tier in it, so it's not the same whips inside. Very cool, I love them. Number 4, we've got a nice deep spool again with a nice sharp edge to it. And number 5, we have standard. And that's what we have for the springs. That's my little dragon there, made by Foxy. I think that dragon could be good friends with William Mansell's cat. I'm not too sure. But look at those pins, guys. They are beautiful work. We've got a funky key here as well. So yeah, that was Durgar by Washington State Picker. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, please subscribe. And as I said, please make sure to remember Gordon W's channel. The link will be in the description of this video. He's a top bloke. Let's get him to 100. So I'll see you soon, guys. Please like, please subscribe. Bye.